Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix YouTube copyright login problems, rights access errors step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the specific rights access error you are encountering. Take note of any error codes or messages displayed on your screen. Check your email for any notifications from YouTube regarding copyright issues related to your account. Log into your YouTube account and navigate to the YouTube Studio dashboard. In the left-hand menu, select Copyright to review any copyright claims against your content. Make sure you understand the nature of the copyright claims affecting your videos. If a claim exists, you can dispute it if you believe it's a mistake. Gather necessary information, such as evidence of content ownership and fair use justification. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the dispute process. If you are unable to resolve the issue through the dispute process, visit the YouTube Help Center for additional guidance on copyright policies and how to address login problems. Ensure you have all relevant account information ready when contacting support. Explain your situation clearly and provide any supporting evidence for your case. Wait for a response from YouTube support, as it may take some time to resolve your issue. Check back in your email and YouTube account for updates on the status of your claim. If necessary, adjust your content to comply with copyright standards to prevent future issues. Continuously educate yourself on copyright laws to better manage your content moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.